Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, February 9th. One of the best techniques to help bring mindfulness to our everyday living is to start your day with it. Many of us have a rushed morning routine and don't really pause to be present until later in the day. The exercise that we will do now can help you start off your day with a mindful moment, bolstering your practice in the coming hours. Mornings may be an especially chaotic time, rushing to get to work, taking care of kids, and dealing with the foggy morning brain that many of us have. All of it can make it difficult to really be present. This calls for extra effort and kindness to yourself. The places and times that give you troubles are often the richest opportunities to practice, though. So notice when your mind and body are moving towards stress. You don't need to do anything, simply watch it happen with patient awareness. Just observing this process can help you understand it more deeply and become less vulnerable to it in the future. So, with that in mind, take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, allow your breath to be nice and soft and completely natural. Just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to it. And now imagine that you're just waking up, or maybe you are just waking up. Imagine that before you actually get up, you take a moment to pause. If you use an alarm, you can use the sound of it as your awareness trigger. If you don't use an alarm, maybe you can set an intention to use opening your eyes as your awareness trigger. So now imagine that you are still lying in bed after waking up. Take a moment to tune into the body. Feel the body resting and notice how it feels to begin moving and stretching. Now bring your awareness to the breath. Taking a few deep breaths, recognize that you just woke up and are breathing. How does that feel? And now imagine actually getting up and beginning your day with awareness and kindness. A very simple practice. Bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And now that we have imagined waking up with awareness, I invite you to set an intention to practice mindfulness when you wake up tomorrow morning and the day after tomorrow, and so on. Just a couple of moments. It doesn't even have to be a minute, maybe even less than that, or maybe more. Your choice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.